Good day, sir and my fellow colleagues. We're the Group 2 and we're reporting the isolated fires presented by John Lawrence Heredero, Vincent Suerte, Miljon Dinuano, Ralph Marcadungog, Jaymar Saicon, Corbin James Cabigas, Kenneth Solotorio, and me, Glenn Forciniega. So my groupmate, Mr. Vincent Suerte, will discuss the simulation.
Okay guys, so before we press F1, we need to familiarize this main engine bridge control, auto chief main engine control, the air ventilation system, seawater system, the power chief pump compressor control, the fire protection panel. Okay, before we start, I will remind you that this simulation is need to perform fast. Okay, so let's start now. Press F1, ECR standing by. And then set to 20. Air ventilation off. And seawater system. The fire line. And let's watch the fire protection panel. So we need to wait those possible alarm and turn off the auto to the compressor and also the emergency compressor. So we need to wait some alarms. So engine room fire has been detected. Please take proper actions. You need to press F12, acknowledge, sound off, and section 1. Press section 1. So all we need to do is wait the section valves number 1 to turn into gray. Okay. We just need to acknowledge those alarms. So the section valve number 1 is turned to gray. So we can reset those alarms. This alarm. Then turn the ventilation on so that the temperature will reduce, and then we need to turn this into auto. and enable to achieve the navigational full ahead. We need to set the control lever and we need to set the control lever gradually. So 40. I need to go to seawater system and off this pump and go back to the main engine bridge control and push continue the control level to 60 and 80. Then 100. What I need to do is look for those parameters and conduct engine watch keeping. System ventilation. Okay. We need to wait at least 7 minutes before we exit the simulator. So we can now exit the simulator because we reach at least 7 minutes, and let's watch the score. Okay, so this was the result, guys. So that's all for the isolated fire. I hope you learned some about operating the isolated fire. So that's all. Thank you.